Hello and welcome. I'm Master Lama Rasaji, and this is our Tuesday edition of Rasaji Speaks. I hope you had a nice rest and you're ready to go. Today's topic is going to be, who is Abba in Hinduism, right? And then who is the Holy Spirit? And then who is the Son? Right? Let's think about that, right? Abba in Hinduism would be referred to as Brahm. And Brahm is considered the creative aspect of what we would refer to as a Catholic Christian, the Holy Trinity. Vishnu would be referred to as the Holy Spirit, the sustainer of life. Sometimes that is given a feminine spin on it in the East, right? And they recognize it. Sometimes they refer to it as Divine Mother. The Son, as we would think of Jesus and the manifestation of God in human form, is considered Shiva. Well, what does that mean? So when the portal of Shiva opened up in 11/11/22 for 33 years, in honor of Jesus's 33 years on the planet, from a Christian point of view, I could say the second coming has already happened. That's right. When you're doing what we refer to as your mirror meditation, are you paying attention? Because Revelations is clear. When he comes, I shall see him as I am. And we shall see each other face to face. Are you seeing Jesus's face? A Hindu would probably say, oh, I'm seeing Lord Shiva. Right? Shiva sometimes is referred to as the destroyer of death. So when the portal over, does it mean we're going to see a lot of death? Or is he really here to destroy the deathist mentality? Jesus, again, the Shiva of Christianity, right? Or which the whole movement of Christianity is formed around Jesus. Christian is one who believes in the teachings and is the follower of the Christ, right? Jesus said, death shall be swallowed up into life. There is that caduceus again. So when Jesus makes reference that we're to be born of the water of our mother, there's two mothers he's talking about. There is the physical mother, but sometimes the church itself, especially the Catholic Church, is referred to as what? Mother Church. A lot of people. So he's talking about the baptismal that any Christian would go to. So there's two baptismals of water. There's the baptismal in the tummy of the mother, and there's the baptismal being welcome or ordained or becoming a fully member of Mother Church. You got it? Okay. But Jesus also said that we had to be born of the fire or the holy fire of the Father. Death shall be swallowed up into life. If we walked into a medical facility in the 50s and 60s, and sometimes even in the early 70s, and we saw a doctor's plaque up on the wall, male or female, used to be the medical symbol for that was a snake weaving around the pole and the two caduceus coming together. Now, why is that significant? Well, it is a symbol in the Far East, in the ancient Hindu faith, of the Kundalini. Sometimes the Kundalini is referred to as the sleeping serpent or serpents. When you see certain pictures of Shiva or the Christ in East, you would see a cobra's head sometimes on the top of Shiva's hair, which was usually matted and wrapped up, looks kind of like a volcano, and sometimes the snake's head. The idea of that symbol is the male and female of the two serpents have now become one at the crown chakra. So they go together and then they do this, right? In the beginning of our Tai Chi form that we teach through the circle of Chi and certify our instructors to do so, of which now we have over 60 instructors teaching around the world. We're real proud of that. You have the ascending star, and then you have the descending star. Also, in the ancient sign of the chakras, they all have mandala symbols. So there's an ascending and a descending in the third eye, or the sixth chakra in the forehead. Lama Ji, that looks like the Star of David. That's right. Isn't that interesting? That's another symbol of the male and female energy, the alpha and omega, the first and the life, or death being swallowed up into life. Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. You want more detail? Read one of my earlier books called The Holy Science. I think you'll appreciate that. I wrote that a few years ago. Barak Bashai, may the blessings be to you and to your glorious family. Look forward to seeing you on what Chin calls Hump Day. Tomorrow, we're going to have a great broadcast. Make sure you're here bright and early. You might want to bring some pencil and paper. We're going to have a doozy tomorrow. God bless you all. Love you much.